Welcome to our channel. Today we how to turn off Facebook active status, privacy guide step by step clearly. Open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into the correct account. Tap the menu icon, which looks like 3 lines, in the bottom right on iPhone or top right on Android. Scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy and tap it to expand the section. Tap Settings to open your account settings page. In the settings list, find and tap Audience and Visibility to access visibility controls. Tap Active Status to open the feature that shows when you are online. Read the description so you understand that turning it off hides when you are active and recently active. Tap the switch next to Show when you're active to turn it off. When the confirmation pop-up appears, tap Turn Off to confirm your choice. If you see an option called Show when you're active together, turn that switch off as well. Go back one screen and check that active status now shows as off. Now open the Messenger app if you use it, because Messenger has a separate active status setting. Tap your profile picture in the top left corner of Messenger to open settings. Tap Active Status in the Preferences list. Turn off the switch for Show when you're active. Tap Turn Off on the confirmation screen to apply the change. Return to the main Messenger screen and verify the status indicator no longer shows you as active. If you use Facebook on a computer, open a web browser and go to facebook.com. Log in and look for the Messenger icon or the chat panel on the right side. Click the 3-dot menu in the chat panel or next to Chats to open chat options. Click Active Status to open the toggle control. Switch off Show when you're active and confirm if prompted. Open Messenger.com in another tab if you also use Messenger on the web. Click the 3-dot menu near the left sidebar at the top of Chats. Click Preferences or Active Status depending on what you see. Turn off active status and confirm to save the setting. Refresh the page or restart the apps to ensure the changes sync across devices. Repeat these steps for any additional Facebook accounts you manage to keep all profiles private. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.